Hey everyone, it's Leah Marie from Hair Everyday, and today I'm going to show you how to give your dry, frizzy hair a luxurious spa treatment right at home. With just a few natural ingredients, you can transform your tresses into smooth, healthy locks. Let's get started. Step 1. Massage your scalp and hair with oil. Start by using a pure, natural oil like coconut, sweet almond, argan, or olive oil. You can even mix them for a custom blend. Massaging the oil increases blood circulation and nourishes your hair from root to tip. It's like a spa day for your scalp. Step 2. Use a steamer or a hot towel. To ensure the oil penetrates the hair cuticle, use a hot towel wrap or a thermal cap. If you don't have one, a hot towel works just as well. This step helps the oil work its magic, giving your hair that extra dose of moisture it craves. Step 3. Shampoo hair using mild cleanser. Choose a shampoo free from harsh chemicals. Natural options like apple cider vinegar work wonders for removing dirt and buildup. Remember, matching your shampoo to your hair type is key. Step 4. Apply a hair mask or deep conditioner. This step nourishes and protects your hair. You can use a brand name mask or create your own with ingredients from your kitchen. Step 5. Rinse out. Use cool water to seal the hair cuticles and leave your hair smooth. You can follow up with a conditioner if needed. And there you have it, a rejuvenating hair spa right in the comfort of your own home. Remember, consistency is key. Treat your hair to a spa day every other week, and watch those dry, frizzy locks transform into silky, beautiful tresses. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, happy hair spaing!